Rain on the window taps a slow ballet. Umbrellas in the street drift away. Puddles form rivers that guide my way. Warmth from my coffee in a cozy cafe. Books and whispers fill the air. Soft jazz rides the steam without a care. Raindrops on rooftops like rhythmic snare. In this haven of peace I pull up a chair. Raindrops fall, it's a mellow sound. Echoes of serenity all around. In this cozy corner, days profound. A rainy lullaby where dreams are found. City lights blur in a watery haze. Cars pass by in a splash.